Welcome to the Freelance Business Tracker. This video will show you how to organize your entire business: clients, projects, invoices, expenses, and tax within a single connected spreadsheet. The spreadsheet has 8 tabs, and they are connected. Let's go through them in order. Start on the Start Here tab. It outlines the 5 core steps of your workflow and provides a color key for your projects. You'll find sample data pre-filled, which helps you see how everything connects before you begin entering your own information. The tracker follows a specific order: clients first, then projects, followed by invoices and expenses. By following this sequence, the spreadsheet can automatically link your data, allowing for accurate, real-time calculations without manual effort. In the Clients tab, create one row for each client. Fill in the basics: their name, contact details, and status. Leave the total revenue column empty. The tracker will calculate this automatically based on your paid invoices. Your revenue figures update automatically. By using drop-downs for client status, the dashboard can accurately count your active versus prospective work, while the total revenue column stays updated as soon as you record a paid invoice. Move to the Projects tab to track your work. The Client column is a drop-down where you connect the project to a name you've already entered. The 3 Money columns, total budget, total invoiced, and balance, are updated automatically when you log invoices. You can charge by fixed price, hourly rate, or monthly retainer. The tracker calculates your total budget and remaining balance based on these settings, so you can easily monitor how much of a job remains to be billed. Income and Invoices is the tab you'll open most often. It is simple: one row each time you send an invoice. Point it at a client and a project, add the amount and the dates, and that is the entry. Keep your invoice statuses up to date. Marking an invoice as paid is the key step that updates your dashboard and removes the balance from your outstanding list. Use the overdue status to identify payments that require follow-up. Log your business expenses here. Include the date, category, and amount for every cost incurred. Staying diligent with this tab makes your year-end bookkeeping much faster and easier. The tax-deductible column is crucial. Flagging your expenses as yes ensures they are correctly categorized for your tax filings. Do it as you go, and tax season becomes a simple and stress-free process. The Tax tab provides estimates to help you plan. Note that these figures are based on tax rules and should be used for planning purposes. Always consult with a professional to confirm your specific tax liabilities. Use the Set Aside tool to save for your future tax bill. By designating a percentage of your profit to hold back, a quarter to a third is the safe habit. You can manage your tax obligations without experiencing financial surprises later in the year. Monitor your quarterly payment schedule and view your summarized deductible expenses here. The quarterly schedule lists IRS deadlines for estimated tax: mid-April, mid-June, mid-September, and mid-January, with designated cells to record the amounts you paid. As a rule, you make these estimated tax payments if you expect to owe $1,000 or more for the year. And the deductible table totals everything you flagged in expenses: $4,086 of write-offs in the sample, grouped by category. This organized view takes the stress out of tax season by keeping your information ready and easy to read. Finally, the dashboard rolls everything up into one clear view. You do not fill in a single cell here. Every number comes from the other tabs automatically. This tab visualizes your income, profit, and trends, and gives you a complete and current picture of your business's health in one place. Let's look at the top band, which shows your money flow in 2 ways: this month on the left and the year to date on the right. This system helps you to look at your current month without losing sight of the year. Net profit is income minus expenses, and it is calculated for you automatically. Below, you can see your outstanding invoices, including those that are overdue, acting as a clear to-do list for your follow-ups. At a glance, you can see your income trends, your expenses categorized by type, and your top clients by revenue. This data updates automatically whenever you log information in the other tabs, keeping your insights current at all times. Finally, the Brand tab provides a reference for your colors and fonts. Be sure to use a full spreadsheet application, like Google Sheets, to keep all automated functions working properly. Continue logging your work regularly to ensure your business insights remain accurate and ready.